Hey, it's Ryan from simplybetterpiano.com, and today I'm going to show you 3 quick, easy, and awesome right-hand chord patterns that are taken directly out of songs by Adele, OneRepublic, Lady Gaga, the Beatles. They're really great. If you're working on a song, or maybe you're in a band, or maybe you're working on some kind of song arrangement, these patterns will give you some awesome creative ideas to make your right hand sound really great. And if you're interested in getting better at playing chords, check out my free guide. It's called the Quick Start Chord Guide. It's got step-by-step instructions for how to play the 5 most common types of chords on piano. Check it out. It's free. It's at simplybetterpiano.com/guide. Download it, check it out. It'll really help you out. So the first right hand pattern we're going to look at today, I'm just calling a block chord pattern. And that is simply just playing a chord and sustaining it until you play the next chord. This is the pattern that's used in songs like Hello by Adele. It's me. It's also in the song Stay With Me by Sam Smith. Stay with me. 2, 3. And it's a great way to just add some space to the sound of the song and give it some place to build later on in the song. It's really great for maybe that first verse or maybe that first chorus. You can do it the whole song too if it's the right song. We have this idea that in order for a song to be beautiful, it has to have a really complicated piano part, but that is not the case. You really want to make sure that the piano part that you're playing serves the song. That's what you got to do. So if the song is best served by sustained chords that just ring out, then that is what you got to play. So let's practice that a little bit using a chord progression. Let's do this. Let's play B minor for 2 counts, A for 2 counts, and then G for 4 counts. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep playing that. So when the piano part has so much space in it, it really gives attention and it really gives space for the melody or for the vocal to come out. The second right-hand pattern we are going to look at today, I'm just calling the rocking pattern. And it's the pattern that you find in songs like Imagine by John Lennon, A Million Reasons by Lady Gaga, The Scientist by Coldplay, and even Don't Stop Believing by Journey. See how my right hand is just rocking back and forth between the top notes and the bottom note? Let me show you what's happening here. Let's take a chord like E minor. E, G, and B. And instead of just playing the chord and holding it, we're going to give it a little bit of motion, a little bit of rhythm by playing the top 2 notes first and then going down to the thumb, the bottom note. Just like that. So now let's put it in a chord progression. We're going to do E minor, C, G, and D, just like this. So when you rock it back and forth like that, it gives the song a little bit more structure, a little bit more rhythm, a little bit more forward momentum. And you can even start with the sustained block chords like we did in the first pattern and then go to this during a different part of the song. Watch this. We can just start with the block pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then change to the rocking pattern. And we can do that with the first chord progression too. B minor, A, and G. Watch this. The third pattern we are going to look at today, I'm calling the arpeggiated pattern. So instead of playing all the notes at the same time, we're going to play one after the other, just like a harp. That's where the word arpeggiated comes from, or arpeggio. Just one note after the other, breaking the chord up. This is the pattern you'll find in songs like Someone Like You by Adele and Apologize by OneRepublic. So let's take a look at it. Let's do the E minor, C, G, D pattern. First, let's start with E minor. So what we're going to do is we're going to play the bottom note first, then the middle note, then the top note, then back to the middle note. So it's this 4-note pattern. Bottom, middle, top, middle. Watch this. Then go to the C chord, to the G chord, to the D chord, so it's just a very gentle and beautiful way to add some rhythm, add some momentum to the song, but in a very soft and gentle way. Let's try it with the B minor A G chord progression from before. Here we go. B minor first. Back to the B minor, down to the A, and then down to the G. So there you have it, 3 fun, easy, and awesome right-hand piano patterns for pop piano pulled directly from some of today's top artists. And these are great if you're writing a song or you're in a band, or if you just want to mess around on the piano a little bit. You don't always have to be writing a song. You can just be playing chords and enjoying the fun of making music on the piano. So try these out with some different chord progressions. Try them at different speeds, different tempos. Try them really fast, try them really slow, try them in the middle somewhere, and you'll find something that sounds really good. And like I said, check out my quick start chord guide. It's at simplybetterpiano.com/guide. It'll help you play chords better. Check it out. You'll love it. Otherwise, thanks for being here with me today. We'll see you in the next video.